Hey, if you wonder if you can actually remove this screen protector from your OPPO A80 5G, then I've got quick information for you. Yes, for sure you can do this. This is the simple foil that will protect our display from the scratches. But if you want to increase protection and for example apply here the tempered glass, so we can simply take it off. And how we can do this? All you have to do is just to use your fingernails and input the fingernail from one of the edge left or the right, at the top, at the bottom, it doesn't actually matter. You will have to input your fingernail just right here in this place. Maybe I'm gonna zoom in just to show you how it looks. This is the foil, this is my fingernail, and I will have to actually lift this foil, which is located right here, by inputting my fingernail. But of course I'm not gonna do this because I don't want to remove my my foil. And that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe.